In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 so you can use it with any carrier. Welcome back to another video by H2 Tech. I am your tech guide, Wayne. If you learned something new in this video, hit that thumbs up button below and consider hitting the thanks button to leave a tip. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. Lastly, make sure you follow us on Amazon for my best tech recommendations and to be alerted when I go live to share new tech recommendations. In today's video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and you're gonna type in *#06 and then end it with pound. Now that's gonna pull up the IMEI. You will need to write down this first number right here. And then the next step is gonna be going to the internet and going to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. Next, you're gonna tap on the select the model and you're gonna go down to the G section, so Galaxy, and go all the way to the end of the G section, basically to the bottom, and look for Galaxy Z. And here you'll find Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Next, we're gonna tap Unlock Now. On the next screen, it will ask us to fill out information about the country we purchased the phone in. In this case, it's gonna be the United States. And the carrier is gonna be AT&T. We're gonna hit Next again. And then on this last screen here, you will see a space to enter the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video. You're gonna need to enter your full name and also a delivery email address of where you want your final unlocking instructions sent, as well as a contact number. You swipe a little further down, you'll see this is the average price to unlock this phone. This is how much they're charging, and this is the average turnaround time, which is basically 24 hours. So within that 24 hours, you will get an email that's gonna have your final instructions. Now, the process to unlock phones does vary from time to time, and it does change based on the carrier, so that is why I can't show the specific process in this video, but I can show you how to get to the site and also what to do once your final instructions come in. So what you need to do is then tap Order Now and then wait until you get that email. Once you get that email, you will need to take out your old SIM card and then put in the SIM card of the service you would like to use the phone with. For example, if it's T-Mobile, if it's Verizon, you would need to put in their SIM card, and then you would need to hold down on the power and volume down button. If you hold that, it'll bring up this menu here, and you will just tap Restart. That will restart the phone, and it will then allow the phone to see the new SIM card, and then you just follow the final instructions in that email and you're good to go. Now, a couple of things I want to point out about this website, just to give you some ease. They do have a toll-free number you can call right at the top of the site here, and a number you can text 24 hours a day. And they do stand by their product, so any time of the day you can reach out to them, and if you're unable to get your phone unlocked, they will give you a full refund. So that is one reason why I love the site and why I recommend it. So hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.